Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. So now it's time to get the eggplant ready for roasting. I'm just going to slice it in half, right down the middle. The flesh on the eggplant is really firm, so you have to give it a good slice there. All right. So we have the two halves, and we are going to put it in the oven and roast it. In order to give it really good color and to roast up nicely, we are going to take some olive oil and just brush it on there. Make sure you coat all of it. And we're going to do the second piece. Again, give this piece a good coating. Make sure it's completely covered. And we'll go over it just one more time. The olive oil is going to help give it a good color, brown it up, and also soften it. Okay, that looks good. And now we're just going to put it on the cookie sheet. This side is going to go down so that the olive oil is touching the pan. We're not going to use the skins, so we don't need to worry about brushing those or anything. We're just going to put it in the oven just like this.